Hello everyone, and welcome to my course on the CrazyTalk 8.1 3D avatar and lip syncing tool. My name is Brian Jackson. I'm the writer of a handful of books, a publisher of hundreds of books, and a course instructor for over 35 Udemy courses and over 100 Skillshare courses. So you might be watching this course right now on Udemy, and if you are, I'm happy for you and I'm glad to have you with me. You might alternately be watching on Skillshare, and if so, I'm happy to have you as well. Welcome to the course. Now, although this course is about CrazyTalk 8.1, actually 8.13, I've used many tools to put together this complete presentation, including PowerPoint and Camtasia. And I'm going to talk briefly about that, but I'm going to focus primarily on CrazyTalk 8. Let's take a look at how CrazyTalk 8 works and what it does for you. It begins with taking some fairly ugly mugshots of yourself from the front and the side. CrazyTalk will use those pictures to make a 3D avatar of your face, but not without your help. The next thing that you do in the software is you go in and you mark where your eyes are and where your general face is. You continue to refine this until CrazyTalk comes up with a rather bizarre and creepy looking avatar for you. You can then clothe and put hair on this creature, and it becomes an actual talking version of you. You record your voice and the lips move to say what you're saying. Now, what do you get in this course? We're going to look at making a 3D talking head of yourself using CrazyTalk 8.1. We're then going to add hair and clothes to your avatar so it actually looks a little less creepy. Then we're going to make your avatar speak using your voice by recording your voice and lip syncing your character to it. Then we're going to add emotion so that you can actually speak with emotion rather than just being boring. We're going to add backgrounds and background music if you'd like, and basically do everything required to make a talking head video like what you're seeing here on the right panel. So if you're interested in making a talking head video of your own, I encourage you to enroll now. This is my course on CrazyTalk 8.1. and I look forward to having you as a student.